Greetings, one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. A few of you have asked about the truck and where it's been. Well, it's been parked at my condo because the short answer is I need to pull the bed. I need to pull the bolts in the bed and actually scoot the whole bed back about a foot to get to the fuel lines and remove the aluminum tape. Yes, I said aluminum tape. I know it's sad, but you know, we were just improvising on the fly. And I need to put on clamps and clamp that fuel line down better, because I was driving back from the shop because it ended up being the computer I burnt out while I was changing the battery. Don't ask me how, I don't know. I'm a pretty shit mechanic, to be honest. But I lost my chain of thought. You'd think after years of doing YouTube I would be better at this, but apparently not. Oh, what was I saying? Dang. Anyway, as I think I was saying, these bolts, there's 6. They have to come up. I have no impact driver, so I have to do them all basically the hard way, elbow grease. And because of the breaker bar, which I will probably show you. Alright, so here it is. As you can see, it's not a ratcheting head. And I can't just throw a ratchet on there because they're just on there too damn strong to ratchet. So basically we'd have to sit there and do this until they're out. Fortunately, I've already had these out once, so I shouldn't have to put any stuff on there. So once these 6 come out, I get the fuel line on. I don't have any brake lights or tail lights, so I think it's just a fuse. So once those 2 things are done, I should be back on the road again. Then I'm going to search for a canopy, which I threw the other canopy away because it was in rough shape. It needs to be washed and scrubbed, which I can do that anytime. So, but first it's getting it back on the road, because once I get a shell on here, I want to take it out on a rainy day. When it's raining outside, I can put the cot back here and actually camp in the back of the truck once I get a canopy. So, and then after that, it's just a few other things I want to do. I want to get new carpet in, and I want to get either the seats reupholstered or just get the seats replaced. I'm not sure which we get, but that's kind of what's going on. I may document some of it, depending how much interest there is. It is supposed to be my outdoor vehicle. It's just, you know, it's been down. But I literally just drove it around the around my condo complex and also around the apartment complex next to me to kind of stir the fluids around and get the battery charged. I didn't just run it for a minute and then just turn it off. I actually, you know, drove it for a little bit. So I'm actually heading out camping right now. Hopefully there are sites open. If not, it will be kind of sucky.